Take out the wrench and the M5 screw. Take out the gantry frame and the base frame. Put the machine QR code in the same direction as the display screen, and the gantry frame stands on the base frame. Tighten the screw with a hex wrench from the bottom of the machine. Take out the extruder. Push the extruder pulley along the V-groove of the aluminum profile from right to left. Take out the synchronous belt and turn the tooth face of the synchronous belt down through the gap between the V-wheel and the V-groove of the aluminum profile. Bypass the synchronous belt from the outside of the X-axis synchronous wheel and buckle it in the U-shaped groove. Loosen the 4 screws of the stepping motor, tying the synchronous belt outward and tying the 4 screws at the same time. Refer to the identification on the transfer board. Insert the extruder contactor into the transfer board in turn according to the wheel lab. Detect the interior of PTFE tube and pipe joint. After confirming that there is no foreign matter, insert the PTF tube into the joint and make sure it is pushed to the end. Tie the wire harness tightly with the cable tie of distribution to prevent bad port contact caused by solution. Connect transfer board. Connect heating bed. Connect Z-axis stepping motor. Take out filament holder, T-nut and M5 screw. Screw only one nut at the short thread of the filament pipe. Screw 2 nuts at one end of the long thread and screw it to metal frame. Pre-install screws and T-nuts on metal frame without tying. Place the pre-install filament holder in the appropriate position of the gantry frame. Tighten the screw with a wrench to complete the installation of the filament holder. Turn the coupling by hand to adjust the distance from the nozzle to the first corner of the printing platform. Don't move the coupling and manually move the nozzle to one of the points of the printing platform. Flying the nuts by hand so that there is a certain distance between nozzle and platform. Move the nozzle to the other 3 points of the printing platform in turn. Adjust the corresponding nut so that the distance between the nozzle and the printing platform is consistent with the first point. Take out the power cable. After checking whether the power supply voltage is matched, connect the power and turn on the power switch. Click on the interface. The extruder goes up to where it started. Remove leveling sensor. Remove the protective cap. Connect joint. Click on the interface. The extruder drops to the printing platform. Start automatic leveling. Take down the leveling sensor after the machine stops. Reinstall the protective cap. Take out filaments. Hang filaments on filaments bracket. Pass the filaments through the filaments detector. Click. The nozzle begins to heat. After the nozzle reaches the temperature, the machine begins to load the filament automatically. If the printer works properly, you will find an evenly extruded filament coming out of the nozzle. Click. The machine begins to preheat and the heating bed and the nozzle. When the temperature of the heating bed and the nozzle reaches the temperature, the machine begins work.